Hello guys, this is Sagar Apte, your environmental advisor. In the series of the third, you can say videos for consent procedure. Today I would like to give you some idea regarding the documentation requirement for consent, you can say process. Now as you know, the consent to establish is the first process that is required for establishing an industry and getting a permission from the Pollution Control Board. Normally when we are talking about these kinds of permissions, the major documentations which are required are generally dependent on the state of origin as well as the state where you are applying. Now in Maharashtra, for instance, if you take it, the consent procedure involves the registration of the client in the Maitri portal, which is the official website for registration for all of the utilities which are provided by the government. So for Maitri portal registration, you have to have the documentation in the form of the authorization letter, which states states the representative's name and details, who is going to be representing your company as the primary contact for the consent procedure. So that is declared on the company letterhead and it is submitted. The second thing that you need is the CA certificate for the project's capital investment. This is a very critical document because of the simple fact that based on this document, the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board decides the fees which are to be, you can say, levied to the industry. Now, the third thing that you require is your identification documents for the company, which involve the company Aadhaar card or the proprietor Aadhaar card, PAN card, GST certificate, and if it is available, the company incorporation number. Certain more documents are also required, but mainly when the Maitri portal registration is to take place, these are the documents which are mainly required. Now, if you need any formats regarding these documents for Maharashtra Circle, I can definitely send them to you. Just message, send the document formats in the message section, and I'll send the documents to you. And for any other queries, you can contact me on the mobile number 8380817720. My email ID is sagar@ecosenseindia.com. That's ECOSENSEINDIA.com. So you can contact me on that. I will be giving some more information on the EPR process, that is Extended Plastic Responsibility process as well, which is now an upcoming you can say subject, and it is being very confusing for applying for them. So stay tuned. Thank you.